Wing. An appendage of an animal's, bird, bat, insect, body that enables it to fly, a similar fin at the side of a ray or similar fish. Slang, human arm. Aviation, part of an aircraft that produces the lift for rising into the air. One of the large pectoral fins of a flying fish. One of the broad, thin, anterior lobes of the foot of a pteropod, used as an organ in swimming. Botany, any membranaceous expansion, such as that along the sides of certain stems, or of a fruit of the kind called samara. Botany, either of the two side petals of a papilionaceous flower. A side shoot of a tree or plant, a branch growing up by the side of another. Passage by flying, flight. Motive or instrument of flight, means of flight or of rapid motion. A part of something that is lesser in size than the main body, such as an extension from the main building. Anything that agitates the air as a wing does, or is put in wing-like motion by the action of the air, such as a fan or vane for winnowing grain, the vane or sail of a windmill, etc. A protruding piece of material on a tampon to hold it in place and prevent leakage. An ornament worn on the shoulder, a small epaulet or shoulder knot. A cosmetic effect where eyeliner curves outward and ends at a point. A fraction of a political movement. Usually implies a position apart from the mainstream center position. An organizational grouping in a military aviation service. Britain, a panel of a car which encloses the wheel area, especially the front wheels. Nautical, a platform on either side of the bridge of a vessel, normally found in pairs. Nautical, that part of the hold or orlop of a vessel which is nearest the sides. In a fleet, one of the extremities when the ships are drawn up in line, or when forming the two sides of a triangle. Sports, a position in several field games on either side of the field. Sports, a player occupying such a position, also called a winger. Typography, informal, rare, a háček. Theatre, one of the unseen areas on the side of the stage in a theatre. In the plural, the insignia of a qualified pilot or aircrew member. A portable shelter consisting of a fabric roof on a frame, like a tent without sides. On the Enneagram, one of the two adjacent types to an enneatype that forms an individual subtype of his or her enneatype. Transitive, to injure slightly, as with a gunshot, especially in the wing or arm. Intransitive, to fly. Transitive, of a building, to add a wing, extra part, to. Transitive, to act or speak extemporaneously, to improvise, to wing it. Transitive, to throw. Transitive, to furnish with wings. Transitive, to transport with, or as if with, wings, to bear in flight, or speedily. Transitive, to traverse by flying. W I N G Wing.